The nervous system is not the only way information can be passed throughout your body. The endocrine system uses chemical messengers called hormones to transfer information. The changes of puberty are controlled by hormones, as are less obvious processes such as the control of glucose in the body.
Scattered throughout the body are endocrine glands, which produce chemicals such as hormones. Although endocrine glands may work together, they are not controlled from one central location. Hormones regulate functions such as growth and development, water balance, sexual reproduction, and the rate of chemical reactions in cells.
Did you know that American scientists have discovered that male animals with smaller brains have larger testicles? Testicles use a lot of energy to produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. Brains also use a lot of energy. That's why some brainy apes have smaller testicles. One gland, the pituitary, can be considered to be the master gland. Not only does it release hormones, but it also instructs many other glands to release their hormones as well. The pituitary receives messages directly from the hypothalamus in the brain, and so provides a vital link between the nervous and endocrine system.
Well, the hypothalamus, pituitary and thyroid glands work together to control growth. Under instruction from the hypothalamus, the pituitary releases thyroid-stimulated hormones. This causes the thyroid gland to release thyroxine. Thyroxine controls the speed of cell reactions and therefore influences growth. A deficiency of thyroxine in infancy results in cretinism, which is stunted physical and mental growth. This can be cured, though, in its early stages by administering thyroxine.
The female silk moth carries enough pheromones in her abdomen to stimulate more than 1 billion males. So, Oswald, was it? Yes. When did you find out that you had diabetes? I mean, how did it affect your life, and could you tell us a little bit about it too?
Well, you know, I was diagnosed with diabetes when I was about 14, and I was really confused to see what it was. I was like, whoa. But I went to the library and I spent a couple of hours researching what diabetes was, because I kind of didn't understand what the doctor was saying. But it turns out that even though I thought diabetes was like a life-crippling disease, turns out that approximately 1 million other Australians suffer from diabetes. And I was like, whoa, I didn't know that. And yeah, it was kind of really, it was odd to me, but I'm coping with it now, you know. It's like, I know I'm not allowed sugar and stuff, and sometimes I am, but it's kind of confusing that way. It makes me think about it, but diabetes isn't that bad.
Damn. Oh shit.
Boys looking for love, a young man needs violence, licking guitars, a little desperate girls looking for love, their women dressed like violets, whipping cigars, a little desperate. Looking for love, you can't stop the silence, deafening roars, a little desperate girls looking for love, they're coming out